Good day, this is Sir Bren, and our lesson for today is about basic properties of logarithm. So we have three basic properties. First property, log of 1 of base b with base b is equals to 0. And then we have number 2, log of b raised to x with base b is equals to x. And number 3, if x is greater than 0, then b raised to log of x with base b is equals to x. Yung number 1, no, as proof, we have here a logarithmic form. And then when we transform this in exponential form, this is, remember that b raised to 0, any number raised to 0 is equals to 1. Okay? And then for proof of property number 2, so we have here in exponential form b raised to x. Now we have the base, and then we have the exponent x is equals to the argument b raised to x. So both are true, no? And then yung sa last, yung sa property 3, so because in exponential form it is b raised to c is equals to a. When we change this in logarithmic form, this is log the argument x to the base b is equals to the exponent, which is log of x to the base b. So both sides are equal. So this is correct. So first example, we have log 10. So ang gawin natin, we apply the basic property of logarithm. So dito, this is a natural logarithm. Pag wala tayong naka-indicate na base, this is automatic based of 10. Okay? So for the solution here, log of the argument 10 to the base 10. So meron tayong imaginary number 1 dyan, no? Na exponent 1, exponent ng 10. So since the argument and the base is equal, kopyahin na lang natin yung exponent. Okay? So this is the application of property number 2. Okay? Example number 2, log of 64 to the base 4. So we rewrite this log. Yung 64 ay 4 raised to 3, di ba, right? 4 raised to 3 with base 4. So since yung 4, itong dalawa ay parehas, no, the base and the base of the argument and base of the logarithm, so kokopyahin na lang natin yung exponent. So this is equals to 3. This is also property number 2. Third example, we have 5 raised to log of 2 of base with base 5. So titingnan natin dito, this is property 3, no? So check muna natin if x is greater than 0. Ang x natin dito is 2, this 1, no, this 1. So indeed 2 is greater than 0, then we apply the property number 3. So we have 5 log of 2 with base 5 is equals to, we just copy yung ating argument dito sa exponent, this is equal to 2. This is property number 3. Then we have another example, log 1. So since pag wala tayong given na base, this is a example of common logarithm. So our solution here is log of 1, and then this is in base 10. So it's equal to 0. So proof here is that when we change this in exponential form, the base raised to the exponent 0, 10 raised to 0, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. So this argument is correct. This is the application of property number 1. Okay? Additional examples, meron tayong 5 pa. Now we have example number 5. Log of 7 with base 7. So in this side, our solution. So we write log of 7 with base 7 is equals to 1. So remember, we have an imaginary 1 here, and since the argument, the base of the argument and the base of the logarithm is the same, we just copy the exponent of the argument 1 here. This is the application of property number 2. Okay, example number 6. E raised to ln of 5. We will use here e raised to ln of x is equals to x. So the x here is 5. So we will rewrite this e ln of 5. So kung ano yung x natin dyan, this is your answer here. So this is 5. Okay. Number 7, we have log of 10 raised to x squared. Okay, our solution here and our answer is, we notice that common logarithm with base 10 kasi wala tayong nakasulat here. So rewrite natin log of base 10 of 10 raised to x squared. Okay, so nakikita natin this is property number 2, parehas yung 10. So the answer here is x squared. This is property number 2, kaparehas ng number 5. For example number 8, log of 1 with base 3. So since mapapansin nyo, yung ating argument here is 1, so therefore this is an application of property number 1. So log of 1 with base 3 is equals to 0 because, bakit property 1? Because when we write this in exponential, our base is 3, our exponent is 0, 3 raised to 0 is indeed 1, which is our argument. So this is property number 1. Log of 1 over 49 with base 7. So for our solution, we will write this or simplify yung 1 over 49 into 1 over 7 raised to 2. Okay? Kasi yung 49 can be written as 7 raised to 2. Kasi kailangan natin yung base natin maging equal. Okay? And then, rewriting this one, yung 1 over 7 squared into exponential form, ang gagawin natin, we will just itataas natin yung 7 raised to 2. So, pag inangat natin yan, magiging 7 raised to negative 2, di ba? Okay, so, again, we rewrite this one to exponential form. And then, yun, finally, we can see here, this is the property number 2 kasi parehas yung base ng argument at saka yung base ng logarithm. So, our answer here, using property number 2, is equals to negative 2. Thank you very much and hope you have learned from this lesson. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. This is Sir Ben and I will see you on my next upload. Good day and God bless.